Run! Hello there, everybody, and happy 4th of July, happy Independence Day. We are American freedom! Yes, okay. So today, we're probably gonna go get some fireworks, hopefully, maybe, I don't know, because fireworks are expensive. I don't know if we should go get fireworks. We're just gonna go get some, because, why not? I only have like 50 bucks to spend on fireworks, so yeah, hopefully we can get some, a lot of them. Even if they're stupid ones. Yeah, so we gotta go get some fireworks later today. I'm here with the family. We're just chilling. We're gonna eat some ribs, barbecue ribs. We're gonna eat them. And they're gonna be delicious. But for now, we're just gonna chill until we end up going, or until we eat and go get fireworks and all that fun stuff. So I'll see you guys in a little bit when we either go to the fireworks store or when we're eating dinner or lunch or something with the ribs and ribness and ribs. Well, we got fireworks. They cost an arm and a leg. This should be fun. Alright guys, so we have a couple rockets. And I need to go set up some kind of tube or pipe. And we have this pipe right here. I'm thinking we could use it to launch the rockets in. Like, we'll stick it in the ground and the rockets will come out of this. Hopefully it works. Let's go figure out where to put this. Here should be good. Now, if we angle it and have it the trajectory that way up like that, hopefully nothing goes wrong and it doesn't hit the church over there. So hopefully this trajectory should be okay. So let's pound this thing into the ground. I think that should be good. Hopefully. Hopefully this thing doesn't tip over. I don't think it should. It should be fine. So it should shoot out there. It should be good. Hey, okay. All good and done. There's only 6 of them. I think that that tube should work. I mean, these are a little shorter than the tube. The tube is like longer than this. So hopefully these can fit into the tube. So hopefully these will work and these don't get stuck in the tube and blow up in it. Because that would suck, especially if the tube was weak in the middle and shrapnel went everywhere. That would stink. Hopefully no accidents, no injuries occur tonight. These right here, these are the tubes that we got last year, or not the last year, these are the tubes that we have accumulated over the years for the mortars and such. So these things will last a long time. Like, this is all like hardened rubber, not those cheap, pathetic cardboard ones you get at the store. Too bad we can't really use these this year. We only bought 6. We only have 6 mortars, so we'll probably use one of these anyway because we don't want to use that cheap cardboard one that we got with the package that we have now. So yeah, I wish I could have showed you guys the years that we did fireworks, because they were way better than probably this year. Hopefully next year we can accumulate some more money and stuff and do bigger and cooler fireworks than we have now. But this year should be fine for what we got, because these fireworks there, these were pretty cool. We saw them on the TV screen. They were showing them off. They were pretty cool. I like the Captain Jake right there. That one was pretty cool. And then that Chasing Booty was pretty good as well. A lot of the pirate ones were really good. They're really good cakes over there. They're really good. I would suggest buying some pirate ones. They're usually the better fireworks. On our way to do some fireworks over in this parking lot over here in this vicinity. Hopefully our fireworks are amazing and awesome. As you can tell, there are fireworks going off in the background. I don't even know if you can hear that, but hopefully we have enough fireworks. We don't have enough fireworks. We always need more fireworks. Hopefully next year we can fill this like whole slab of this, just all fireworks there. Hopefully next year we can save up some money for next year just to fill out that whole parking lot area there. So yeah, yeah, we're about now worry. Shall we see you then? Guess what time it is? Firework time. Down two. Woo! We're gonna light the rockets now. I'm glad it didn't go this way. Jeez.
Live dangerous, my friend. Live dangerous.
What? Oh! Smiley face. He's a big one. He's so big, it's gonna be huge. He's ginormous. There you go, you got it. Whew. Not too bad, not too bad.
On my way!
Woo! my mom was not standing there. Yeah, that flipped over. It tipped over. Hopefully this box doesn't tip over.
Here's our grand finale, everyone.
Grand finale. Grand finale. Let's hope this one doesn't tip over. That one's good. Alright. Last one. Like we just stepped back. That was cool. We did it! Alright guys, that's gonna be it for the vlog today. For the Legendary Day, that's gonna be it. I hope you guys did enjoy those massive amount of fireworks that we got for a grand old price of money. I'm not gonna tell you how much I paid for them. They were expensive though, I will say this. Yeah, so those were fireworks. Yeah, those were fireworks. They were good. I liked them. 10 out of 10. We'll do again. We'll buy those ones again. Maybe. Hopefully we can save up some money for next year and have like a lot more. Because that would be awesome. And hopefully we don't have any mishaps like the couple that we had. Yeah. Also, one of the boxes, it was like a graffiti firework cake thing. I think the last one tipped over and shot at the house. It almost hit my mom. I didn't think it did. I didn't think my mom was outside. I thought she went inside for a second, but she was standing on the porch. So the firework just like when the box tipped over, it just shot out one straight past us. I thought it was just a fragment from a firework because that was lit, but no, it was it was a legit firework that just went flying past us over back to like the porch patio area and blew up by my mom. Oh, she's okay. Everything's good. Nothing. No harm. No foul. No broken bones. Nothing. She's good. All good in the hood. No bruises. Maybe a little like death, but other than that, she's fine. But now we're gonna end the Legendary Day here. So if you guys did enjoy, please hit that like button down below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share. Share it. Become legendary. You are the legends. You are legendary. Share it so other people can be legendary. Share it. You're legendary. I know it. You want to be legendary. Woo! Alright guys, I'll see you tomorrow in the next Legendary vlog. So I'll see you guys. Bye! Bye.